before we come up with three solutions, I would suggest you solve for y. We're going to move 3x to the other side to get y by itself. So it'll be negative 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. And then we're going to divide by negative 4. So divide everything by negative 4. And we'll get y equals, the negatives cancel each other out, so we just get positive 3/4 x. And then 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Now this is the equation we are going to be working with right here. So now we're going to just come up with numbers to plug in. But before we do that, I think it's important to figure out which numbers we're going to plug in for x. Because, due to the fact that when we plug a number in for x, we're going to have to multiply by 3 and then divide by 4. I suggest you plug in numbers that are divisible by 4 to avoid fractions or decimal. So if we plug in numbers that are divisible by 4, well, let's go with 0, 4, and 8. All right, so now plug in 0 for x. 0 times 3/4 is 0. And then just going to do 0 minus 2, which is negative 2. Then we'll plug in 4 for x. So if we plug in 4, we'll take 4 times 3, which is 12, and then 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Then you take 3 minus 2, which is 1. Last number we'll plug in is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And so then from there, we'll take 6 minus the 2, which is 4. So we should have a table completed. I'm going to check my answer by checking the pattern, the change in x and the change in y, and seeing if I get 3/4. So let's look at the change in x. 0 to 4 is plus 4. 4 to 8 is plus 4. The change in y, negative 2 to positive 1 is plus 3. And then 1 to 4 is plus 3. And now you divide across, so we'll take 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4, well, there's 3/4, so we know we're right. And then we could keep going. We can keep increasing the x by 4 and the y by 3, so the next one would be 12, 7. After 12, 7, you'd have 16, 10. Just keep increasing the x by 4 and the y by 3. 20, 13. And you could also go backwards. Decrease the x by 4, you get negative 4. And that means you decrease the x or the y by 3, so you get negative 5. That would be another ordered pair that you could have.